staying in our lane, thank goodness.
I am for the cars.
Well, we are in the car, or the truck is staying in the lane. And we just slowed down because this jerk pulled in front of me, in front of us. I said we just slowed down because a jerk pulled in front of us.
Yeah, get the wheel turning. Going around a curve. This would make driving to the beach a lot easier.
Oh, yeah.
As long as you don't fall asleep.
Yeah.
Hi. Look, no hands.
Look, no hands. Okay, now I'll try to get the wheel again.
Huh?
I'll try to get the wheel turning. Yeah, it's going back and forth. You do sound so slightly.